Okay, this one took me a little bit to figure out. To get your current tune into HPTuners, you need to, well, first plug the included cable into the MPVI2, I don't remember what it's called, and then plug this into your OBD2 port. It goes in upside down. Then plug that into your laptop. Then you need to open the VCM editor, and then you press this button here, and that will read your car. The car can't be running during this. It has to be in the key in the on position, and then you just click read. And mine's about to finish, so we'll see what happens after that. Oh yeah, it moves your gauges sometimes. Okay, then it asks to save it as, so I'm just gonna save it as Cav.